हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज प्रवीर कुंडू। मैं आपका खुले दिल से स्वागत करता हूं अपने इस नए वीडियो के एपिसोड में। आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू एंड आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट बी enjoying this my video series on emotional intelligence, and I am also confident that you must be practicing self-awareness, you must be practicing self-regulation, you must have started identifying what are the positive emotion, what are the negative emotion, you must have started self-regulating। ठीक है ना, कि कौन सा पॉजिटिव इमोशन है पहले से जो आप नहीं जानते थे, अब वो आप जान गए होंगे कि पॉजिटिव इमोशन कौन सा है, उसको आइडेंटिफाई करना सीख गए होंगे। और पिछले एपिसोड में एक चीज आपको और बताया था, दैट इज प्रैक्टिसिंग पॉज। मतलब कोई भी घटना घटे, कोई भी इंसिडेंस होए, कोई भी थॉट आए, तो उसको यू गिव टाइम सो दैट दोस थॉट्स, दोस इमोशन, दोस फीलिंग कैन ट्रैवल फ्रॉम योर लेफ्ट ब्रेन to your creative brain, to your logical brain, to your thinking brain, and what is that? That is your right brain। ठीक है ना? So that you get a right response, you get a right guidance, and you can take a right action। Okay? Now in this episode मैं आपके साथ सेल्फ रेगुलेशन का जो बाकी 3 और क्वालिटीज है वो मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ। So the first quality is adaptability। A person, you need to be, one of the attributes of the self-regulation is you need to be adaptable। Means जैसा situation हुए, जैसे हम लोग पानी डालते हैं ना, या दूध डालते हैं, या कोई लिक्विड डालते हैं, तो वो क्या करता है, वो जिस बर्तन में डालते हैं, in the pot we or in the utensils we pour water or milk or whatever it is, it take the shape of that utensils only, take the shapes of that pot। तो उसी तरह से हमको as per the situation we need to be adaptable, we need to be flexible, we need to adjust ourselves थोड़ा इधर उधर करके, so that we fit into that situation। इसको हमको सीखना होगा। we need to learn this, we need to practice this, you need to be highly adaptable। ऐसा नहीं कि थोड़ा सा situation गड़बड़ हुआ and you get depressed and you get frustrated, no, nothing like that। you remain always positive and try to think that how you can adjust, how you can be adaptable in this new situation, right? Okay, now the second attribute is optimistic। as a person, if you want to be highly successful, highly accepted, तो आपको हमेशा ऑप्टिमिस्टिक बने रहना होगा। You need to be optimistic, you need to be hopeful, you need to be positive in all the situations। एक हिंदी में कहावत है ना कि भगवान जो भी कुछ करता है भले के लिए करता है। ठीक है ना? तो उस कहावत को मन में याद रखना होगा कि whatever has happened, even bad has happened, उसमें भी कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा ही है। Even there is something bad happens, God whatever does to us, it does good for us। You have to remember that and you always in the mind that जो भी कुछ हुआ उसमें हमारा कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा ही, we have something good into that, and you need to remain always optimistic। And the greatest advantage is that by being optimistic, you get more of the serotonin, you get more of the dopamine, and you get more of the oxytocin, so you become more confident। So being optimistic is another attribute of the self-regulation। And the third and the most important element of the self-awareness is that you need to be opportunistic, you need to take initiative। आपको हर मौके को इनिशिएटिव लेना होगा। हाँ, चाहे वो आपके बस में हो या नहीं हो। ये नहीं सोचना होगा कि whether I should grab this opportunity or not, I am not fit, I may not be able, और ये सब दिमाग में, these all things you need not put into your mind। You need to simply keep on trying। Trying is in your hand। Who knows that you become successful? Can you say that you will not become successful? लेकिन अगर आप चांस नहीं लेंगे, if you will not take the chance, then you will never become successful। So you always need to take the initiative on each and every opportunity, which will make you further confident, which will ensure more of the oxytocin, more of the serotonin, and more of the dopamine, and minimize the chances of the failure। So in self-regulation there are 5 components। Okay, what are the 5 components? First is self-regulation। Okay, you need to identify what are positive emotion and what are नेगेटिव इमोशन। नेगेटिव इमोशन को दबाना नहीं है, उसको नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, उसको आने देने का है। सिर्फ उसको पहचान कर लेने का है कि ये नेगेटिव इमोशन है और किस रेशियो में पॉजिटिव इमोशन और नेगेटिव इमोशन आपके पास आ रहा है, वेदर इट इज पॉजिटिव इज 80, नेगेटिव इज 20, और वेदर नेगेटिव इज 20 और पॉजिटिव इज 80, अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू एडजस्ट योरसेल्फ so that your positive and happiness hormones should be more and more. So first is this. Second is, pause. आपको you have to pause, you have to gain time. कुछ भी सुनने के बाद, कोई भी इंसिडेंस होने के बाद फट से उसमें एक्शन नहीं देने का, फट से रिएक्शन नहीं देने का. You need not to be stamped as an acid. Rather, you have to give time so that those emotions, those thoughts, those feelings must travel from your left brain to right brain, the thinking brain, the logical brain, okay, so that you get a right response from your critical brain, from the right brain, and you take the right action. So second important thing is pause. The third important thing we discussed is adaptability. In all the situation we should always try. Situation कभी भी हमारे तरफ नहीं होगा, हमारे मन के माफिक नहीं होएगा. हमको सिचुएशन के माफिक अपने आप को we need to adjust in that people will all be successful. So be always adaptable to newer and newer situation. The fourth thing is that we need to be very optimistic. आपको हर हालत में मुस्कुरा करके जिंदगी को जीना होएगा, थोड़ा तकलीफ भी क्यों ना हो. Some problems are also there, but you remain to be always hopeful. You remain to be always optimistic. So more and more serotonin, more and more dopamine, and more oxytocin will be there in the body, which will make you more confident. And the third, last, fifth is that you should be ready to take initiative always. Irrespective of that, whether you will be successful or it will be a failure, उसको दिमाग में नहीं रखने का है. आपको तो सिर्फ दिमाग में रखने का है, ये मौका है, मुझे इसमें अपने आप को पुश करना है. I have to take an attempt. I have to take an initiative. So remember the 5 factors of self-regulation. One is self-regulation. Second is pause. Third is adaptability. Fourth is optimism. And fifth is initiative. So ये 5 को जब आप ऐसे पूरा कर लेंगे, so your self-regulation will be your grip. ये पंजा है. पंजा आदमी नहीं दिखाता है. In gentle, society, nobody sees this. This is a bad sign. But when you do like this here, this is the mastery, then things are in the grip. And I am sure by practicing self-regulation, by practicing pause, by practicing adaptability, by practicing optimism, and by taking the initiative, you will definitely develop, if not today, then maybe tomorrow or day after, a absolutely person who is having full command on his personality, full command on their emotion, full command on their thought. So please practice all these things. We'll see in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.